Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to add PDF to Wix. So let's go to the Wix editor site first. In this editor site, you have to click on this plus icon, elements, this one, and you'll find here button. Under this button section, you'll find here documents button. Now you have to choose any button you want. I'm choosing this one, PDF. I'm just making it here to show you clearly. Now you have to click on change file. Now just upload media, upload from computer, choosing one PDF. So you can see that PDF has been added. You have to click on action, three dot, and you can choose copy URL or download or cut anything. I'm choosing download. Now you can see the tags, you can change the tags, file info. You can do this with this. I have to click on choose files. Now you can see that PDF has been added successfully. If I click on preview, here you can see that PDF has been here. If you click on this, it will open a new uh, window and show the PDF here. Okay, so this is how you can do this, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please, and thank you so much in the video.